Today I share my recipe for the most famous Buche De Noel, and here's how to make it. To prepare the roulade, put the egg whites and the sugar in a bowl and whisk for about 10 minutes until you get a stiff peaks. Then add the ground walnuts and the flour. Stir gently with a spatula to combine. Transfer the filling to a baking tray lined with baking paper and coat it with oil. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 Celsius degrees for about 15 minutes. When the crust is baked, transfer it to a damp cloth and fold it into a roll so that you can fold and shape the cake later. To prepare the filling, put the egg yolks and the sugar in a steamer pot and whisk for about 5 minutes until the yolks get a bright yellow color and the sugar is completely melted. Stir in the chocolate and melt it over medium heat. Remove from heat and allow it to cool but not to become hard. In the meantime, melt the sugar in a pan and add the walnuts. Stir well until all the nuts are covered with sugar and transfer the mixture to a sheet of baking paper. Allow to cool and harden for about 20 minutes and then break into small pieces and grind in a chopper or a food processor. In another bowl, using a hand mixer, whisk the butter and the powdered sugar until the mixture becomes frothy. Then add the cool yolk and chocolate filling to the bowl and whisk again until combined. Finally, add the crushed walnuts and whisk again. Unroll the crust carefully and spread half of the filling over it. Roll it again and leave it to cool for about 10 to 15 minutes in the refrigerator. Finally, coat the cake from the outside with the remaining filling and add a decoration to your New Year's roulade. Put the cake back in the fridge to harden well, and then serve slices to your guests. I hope you will give this cake a try and let me know how it turned out. For a lot more coming in future, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Have fun cooking, until the next time.